Prime Minister Narendra Modi's three-city vaccine tour is currently underway. The Prime Minister has just landed at the Serum Institute, Pune, and will review the vaccine manufacturing facility. Serum is working on Covishield vaccine along with Oxford University. Earlier, Prime Minister Modi reviewed the development process of drug makers' COVID vaccines candidate Zykov-D. After Ahmedabad, Prime Minister Modi visited the Bharat Biotech plant in Hyderabad. The company is now working on Covaxin, pitched as India's first indigenous vaccine candidate. After his hour-long visit to the facility there, Prime Minister is now in Pune, where Serum Institute of India is situated. In fact, the institute has partnered with global pharma giant AstraZeneca and Oxford University for a COVID vaccine. Prime Minister Modi is expected to review the status of Covishield, including its launch, production and distribution mechanisms during the visit.
India's journey in the Atmanirbhar Bharat, the scientists, 1800 of them, and 25,000 plus Zydens are continuously thriving and working for providing safe and efficacious vaccine, better COVID treatment and diagnostics. I want to wish you all healthy life, and I would request all of you to wear a mask and maintain social distance.
Well, Serum Institute is a pioneer institute as far as vaccinology is concerned in India, and they have got extensive stock of this vaccine as of now. Now, with this particular background, that huge stock is already available. So as soon as they get the permission to go further, they will be able to supply this vaccine for India and for some other countries also. Now, what they are doing are essentially phase 2, phase 3 study. Now, phase 2, phase 3, when it comes, it means that, well, the vaccine will, first of all, they will look into the dose that is being used, how effective is that in terms of safety. So safety is the main concern they will be looking for in 1,600 people.
Cutting across to Pankaj Upadhyay, reporting live from Pune. Pankaj, a big moment. Here is Prime Minister Narendra Modi overseeing the vaccine progress himself. It is huge because the entire world, of course, apart from India alone, waiting for the vaccine to be rolled out at the earliest. And while several other countries are developing their own vaccines and have their own people as priority, India's indigenous vaccine here, developed by Serum Institute, you have two other centers in Ahmedabad as well as in Hyderabad as well, coming up with indigenous vaccines. Their progress reviewed by the government really gives them a boost that the government is pushing for this, and it's overseeing the entire progress of it and will help if need be. What's the progress so far in terms of Serum Institute, and when will the vaccine be rolled out? Now that Prime Minister Modi is there, has any word come out as assurance there?
Well, there's no word so far from the Serum Institute. Now, Prime Minister Modi spent nearly an hour meeting the medical scientists here at this very institute. He was given the details about the development of the vaccine, the logistical plans, the distribution plans, the production plans, and the various stages of the trial that have gone, and the data that has been collected, which has given so far very satisfactory results to the Serum Institute, which has further given the hope that perhaps by early next year there could be a rollout of the vaccine as well. We are still awaiting for a formal word from the Serum Institute of India officials, but the fact remains that the Prime Minister did come down to this facility to have a word with the medical scientists here. Says a lot about the seriousness of the government as well. You're absolutely right when you say that this is going to give a big boost to all those people, to all those medical scientists who are working day in and day out to crack the code, to get the vaccine out as soon as possible. But at the same time, it also reiterates and also affirms what Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been saying from a very long time, that as far as the logistic plans, as far as the distribution plans, as far as the production plans are concerned, they have to be put in place very, very rigorously. And perhaps that was the reason that he himself took stock of the entire situation and took first-hand account with all those experts who are behind the development of this very vaccine. So the Prime Minister himself coming down, showing so much of keen interest in the development stages, says a lot. And definitely it's going to be a big boost to all the experts who are working inside. And of course, once we have an official word out, if there is an official release, we'll get to know about in some time. It also will give more clarity about the issues. It will give more clarity, we are hoping, on some of the issues that are being raised by the common people with regards to the affordability, with regards to the concerns that have been raised of late, because some medical experts had also been saying that perhaps now there could be fresh trials as well. There could be a change in protocol in the Indian trials as well. Whether or not that is going to happen, whether there's going to be a change in plans from here on, so that the efficacy issue is completely taken off, so that there aren't any concerns left, that really remains to be seen. But other than that, for today, the big news remains that Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself visited the Serum Institute of India. For nearly an hour, he was here.
He's still there, and that's it is reassuring, like I said, for these laboratories as well that are coming up with a vaccine. It's native to India, and this is a big boost that the Prime Minister himself is overseeing the progress of it, which really gives hope to every Indian citizen as well that we're going to get the vaccine soon enough.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.